further transmission of the virus. To this end, we have observed that the said directives are not strictly being adhered to. For example, most matatus are still overloading, hence not observing social distancing. They are also not observing standards of hygiene as per the set standards. Therefore, we have made this decision. From tomorrow, Monday, 6th April 2020, any matatu operator found not observing the set directives will have their SACCO licenses suspended and the vehicle bonded. This directive applies to all public transport vehicles. The offenders will also be charged in a court of law in line with the Public Health Act for deliberately spreading the virus.